Yo guys, what is going on? Justin OV update back again with another video, and today I'm going to be heading to Toronto and we're going to be picking up two things from the last drop. We're also going to be showing off a $10,000 plus sneaker collection. Also going to be showing you guys Drake's favorite place for ice cream in Toronto. So with that being said, we got a lot of fun stuff geared up for tonight, but without further ado, let's get straight to it.
5 minutes later.
We are currently stuck in traffic. We'll be there in around 20 minutes, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated. See what I did there. All right, guys, we just got here. Undisclosed location. Alright, so we just pulled up to the spot. Undisclosed location. We ain't giving no addies around here, but what I got for my boy, it's his birthday tomorrow. Got the Travis Jordan merch. This is from the Highest in the Room drop.
Why not match that with this?
Yeah, we ain't giving him these though.
Definitely not.
Definitely not. Got the Essentials LA hoodie, strictly from the pop-up. So Eris, you better fucking appreciate this. Or
in the room.
come on, stop throwing Travis. Stop throwing your dirty Travises on the bed. I also got tons of Bear Bricks.
2011 Stussy Bear Brick Super Rare. Like what? Almost $1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
The set.
Both, Fragment Japan exclusive. 1,000 for both. Mickey set almost 1,500 now.
We're gonna start bringing out some of the heat. As you can see, this closet is full with sneakers. Yo, check out Game Worn.
By Stanley Johnson, the Raptor himself,
From-
Mr. Champion.
Game Worn from Stanley Johnson. Is he a champion? Did he
He's
get
a
a ring?
champion.
So
He got
the
a ring.
person that wore this jersey got a ring.
2019 Raptors NBA Championship.
That's crazy. And it's a Nike jersey. That's insane. All right, guys, so we just pulled out all the drip. As you can tell from the shoes,
Mostly Jordan ones.
we only got checks. Checks over stripes.
Checks over stripes. No, not one Adidas inside my whole
No,
collection.
we ain't doing Adidas, yo. Okay, so pick up the shoe. Don't tell us about the shoe. They know the shoe. Tell us the price. Quickly, let's run it down.
1.1.
1.1. This is Canadian.
Canadian. You already know what these are. Just a logo, a rack. Most of you won't know what this one is.
This is really not a stopwatch.
Rolling on a stopwatch. Melody,
Woo!
first ever woman Jordan 1. Almost 2,000 now.
2K.
2K. Highest in the room.
1,000. 1,000.
Yeah, so hitting a
rack.
7,000. Highest in the room, part 2s. That's 800. No introduction needed. First SB.
SB Wave Crazy.
Almost 3,000 now.
Okay.
Shout out to the man Sean himself. Sean
Real
Smith.
legend. But we ain't messing with Sean no more because it's checks over stripes. You switched to Adidas. Nah, we can't do that.
1.8.
Yeah, 1.8.
Bioshock 1s. 1 lows.
Together, how much?
At most.
500.
Yeah.
Nah.
400.
Oh. Okay. $400. Game Royals.
No. Royal Toes.
Royal Toes.
Royal Toes.
Yo, you don't even know your sneakers. Fam. You don't even know your sneakers.
That's 600 now.
6?
So for that size, yeah.
TikTok,
The
oh, you got a
ones,
little, you got
the
a little.
Charlie D'Amelio ones.
The Charlie ones. The Addison Rae
Yeah.
ones.
It's what? Almost 700 now.
700.
I couldn't afford the 1.0s, so I got 3.0s.
Oh,
shit.
whoa. That just lost $50 value.
What? They're almost like 550, 600
What do you like?
now.
What pair do you like more? The 1.0, 2.0,
1.0. And then my favorite out of the whole collection.
All right.
OG 10 Off-White
Beats.
90s.
Those are going to Hotbox clean.
3,000.
Yeah. 3K?
3K.
That's insane. Alright, so that was it for all the sneakers. As you can see, we had tons of heat. But got an OVO unboxing right after this. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. About to head to the second spot to pick up the OVO from the plug. We about to do a quick review on today's new drop, the t-shirt, the hoodie, all that good stuff. And then we're heading to Drake's favorite ice cream store in Toronto. So stay tuned, you definitely don't want to miss out, and let's keep it going. Just got the bag in from the plug. We're gonna start it off with the Astro World t-shirt. So a lot of people are calling this the Travis Scott Astro World t-shirt, but it looks like a planet. It looks like Mars or something in the background, but let's open it up. Let's show you guys what the design looks like. Made in Canada, as you can see. Got the nice design right there. Personally, I think the black is the best color out of the blue, the red, and the white, whatever dropped. Especially with the made in Canada quality, you know it's gonna be good. But this did sell out pretty fast online today, so a lot of people did actually like it. As for the print quality, it looks good and not going to be coming off in the wash. No tab on the bottom, but super clean tee, definitely worth $48. I have the light blue garment dyed OVO hoodie from today. The garment dyed collection was actually really nice. Personally, the black sweatsuit was one of my favorites. I wish they did do the blue pants though, because I would have picked those up for the personal. But here's the hoodie, and in person, it just looks 10 times better. I don't know if you guys can see, come up close. Get a little bit of that good quality right there. Look at the owl. This reminds me from the collection they did back in the day. Awesome piece right here. And it isn't slim fit, so take note of that. This is a nice oversized fit. This is an XL, and I would go true to size. Personally, I'm 5'8", and I'd go with a medium. Although retail price was $168, which is pretty expensive for this hoodie, but I think it's definitely worth it. It is super heavy compared to the Scully hoodie and all the other ones that dropped. The Airbic one, I definitely think this hoodie quality is way better. All right, so that is it for the OVO pickups. Some shit just turned on in the background if it's kind of loud, but let me know what you did think from today's drop. Let me know what you guys think of the two pieces I did quickly review on. You guys see we got the D squared hat on, double owls, seeing double. We're about to head to Yorkville. We're gonna head to Drake's favorite ice cream spot in the 6, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I gotta just park up and head to the ice cream store. But right here, if you guys can see this building, this is the Four Seasons. This is where Drake stays a lot of the times when he's in Toronto. All right, guys, we just got here. As you can tell, it's a pretty nice neighborhood, but I'm gonna show you guys some of the scenery on the way to the ice cream shop. Right here's the Hazelton Hotel. That's where Drake filmed a lot of If You're Reading This Is Too Late, up in here. And if you guys remember the clip of Drake in the Bugatti, it was right outside this hotel as well. As you can see, check out this Sprinter. This thing is crazy. Wow. This is where Drake pulled up in the Bugatti. Let's take a look what we got inside. Rolls Royce, Mercedes. Guys, here it is. Insert photo of Drake eating Summers.
And the black cherry Ribovian, same waffle.
All right, guys, that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe down below for more videos like this, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.